My dog is crazy. She just loves going outside so much. Look at her. Hey, Foxy. You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Foxy, you wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? I think she wants to go outside. Samantha, do you think she wants to go outside? She said yes. Hey, you wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Don't eat the camera. You wanna go outside? 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 Hey. You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Yeah, she wants to go outside. You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? I think, hey, do you wanna go outside? I was just wondering. Foxy, come here. Come on, get down. Come. Hey, Foxy. Foxy. Hey, if you wanna go, hey, come on. Fine, sit anyway. Hey, Foxy. Foxy, if you wanna go outside, sit. Foxy, sit. Sit if you wanna go outside. Sit if you wanna go outside. I guess you don't wanna go outside. Hey, you. Hey, Maggie. Hey, Maggie, do you wanna go outside? Maggie, do you wanna go outside? Don't think she likes cameras. Holy cow. Foxy! Foxy! You wanna go outside? I'll take you outside. Let's go outside. Come on, let's go outside. No. Dang. Yeah, I think she wanted to go outside. Maggie. Baby, don't you want to go outside? Come on, go outside, come on. It's too hot. Well, that's all. Comment and subscribe.